In this tutorial, we introduce you to the concept of plant hormones. Plant hormones, also known as phytohormones, are molecules produced within the plants that control all aspects of plant growth and development. Think of them as chemical messengers that are made in one place in the plant body and deliver their message in a totally different place in the body. Let us learn about the amazing effects that hormones have on plant growth and development. There are 5 major types of plant hormones: auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene and abscisic acid. These hormones can work together or independently to influence plant growth. Have you ever wondered how a plant bends towards sunlight? Yes, you're right if you said due to phototropism. This concept was dealt in our previous tutorial. This bending of the plant towards light has to do with one of the most important groups of plant hormones that regulate growth and metabolism in plants called auxin. Auxins are produced at the tip of the stem, root tips, buds, growing leaves, etc. Auxin makes the cells just behind the tip of the shoot get longer. The more the auxin there, the faster they grow. Without auxin, there is no growth. When light shines onto a shoot from all around, auxin is distributed evenly around the tip of the shoot, and so the shoot grows straight in an upward direction. If light falls onto the shoot from one side, auxin will move to the shaded side of the plant stem by diffusion and cause those cells to grow longer, while the cells on the sunny side of the plant stays the same size. This will cause the plant to bend to one side, that is, towards the sun. Gibberellins are hormones found in higher plants, mainly distributed in the meristematic regions like stem apex, root apex, buds, seeds, etc. Its main function is to promote the growth of internodes by cell elongation. Gibberellins break seed dormancy and initiate germination. They promote fruit growth and delay the natural process of aging. With this, we conclude the first part of the series on plant hormones. Stay tuned as we explore more about plant hormones in our next tutorial.